Howdy folks, I'm sure you all want an update on natural gas. I'm going to show you my chart super quick, under a minute, and I'm going to point you to another video which I think you could go and watch. It's a friend of mine, Andre, over at the Trading Crew, got a YouTube channel, and I think if you watch his video, which pretty much mirrors mine, so whatever I'm going to show you and what I've said in the last video is probably better put the way he says it, and more clearly, more succinct, and in a more sort of direct, to the point manner perhaps. But let's have a look at the charts quickly, and we've pulled back a little bit on natural gas, but just back into the bottom of this channel. And if you remember, I said we needed to fill this gap down here, we need to fill that gap above us. So we've just filled this gap, gone down to that support line. That's the dividing line between the sort of new bullish range and the old, not really bearish, but the lower range and the upper range. And here's the rising channel line, and we've just touched there and bounced back from 250 to 254. I thought we'd get down to 253, but we got down to 250 or 251, just thereabouts. And if you have a look at this on the 4-hour chart, you can see the same thing. So there's that gap. I've got the gaps highlighted in red and yellow, so the green gap is the bullish gap, I suppose. We filled it and some, just getting down slightly below to about 251, so just slightly below the gap, but that's okay. If you look at the daily chart, it's more or less in line with what we'd expect. We've got all these moving averages now in confluence above us together. That's going to pose some resistance. We need to fill up this top gap, which is above us around about mid 270s, 272 to 274. If we can get through there and these moving averages hold above that gap, in other words above 275 really, then we're going to be heading up towards the top of this channel. And let's switch back to the daily chart so you can see where it is, and that's at around about $3.15, $3.20, if I just check that out like that. So up there somewhere in the top right hand corner, the top of that channel. So that's what I think, and it could be, maybe I'm wrong, might drop below. So I've got now a 50% position long at an average of $2.60, and my hedge position is at 239, just below 240, just below this last spike low. So I've got a 239 full hedge, and I've got a 50% position long at an average price of $2.60. Now let's go across and have a look at Andre's channel, and I'm going to put it up for you here, and I'm going to put a link below this. This is the channel. It's called the Trading Crew. He's a friend of mine, and I don't get anything from promoting his channel. I'm just giving him a shout out because he'd appreciate the support. And actually his analysis on wheat, not only on natural gas, but wheat as well, very, very similar to mine. And also I did an update on wheat on Twitter and in my private channel, and it echoes very much what he's saying on wheat as well. So check that out. Go and have a look at this. Click on this link below this video to the Trading Crew and watch his video, and please give him a like and a thumbs up and subscribe to his channel. He does a lot of options trading and stock names as well, so a little bit of a different slant to what I do, and I think you'll find it super interesting and he'd enjoy your support. So give it a like, a thumbs up, and a subscribe, and a share it with your friends. And whilst you're doing that, please give this video that I'm sending you right now the same sort of attention. Just a like and a subscribe if you like it. Thanks so much. Have a great trading day. Speak to you soon. It's been an exciting day. There's lots going on, so I'm going to get back to trading.